We're going to the beach. Are you excited? Look at the lighthouse. We're at the beach. Sorry if it's windy, I'm trying to cover the speaker a little bit. What? Alright, go sit down and have a snack. Today is VEDA day number 8 and it's to share a haul. Girls are snacking on some HEB Organics mini peanut butter cookies. 86 cents because they were on clearance. We have some pretzels. Roasted seaweed, which we bought a huge pack, so we gotta get rid of those. Then on the way over here, we got some grapes. We have 3 kinds of chips. We have some graham crackers and marshmallows to make s'mores later. Although I think we forgot the chocolate. And the girls, oh, something happened? There's the beach patrol. Anyways, some fruit twists. I think the girls already ate some of them. And some gourmet popcorn infused with chocolate. Okay, chocolate caramel sea salt. Here, I'll open it. And that's pretty much it. So my mom's making potato salad. That's funny. They're trying to look for everything. Anyway, so that's our VEDA video for today. Hope y'all are enjoying your Saturday, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Where are the girls? Over there somewhere? Family, join us today. And here's all of our barbecue. Hubby made awesome fajita and chicken fajita. Ready, Vet? And hot dogs. You gonna play some more? Alright, go play so I can videotape you. Liana, her outfit. We have her clothes hanging. Analia brought her bike. Analia, you don't want to ride your bike? Yeah? Did you have fun today, Vet? Yeah.